Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about Blvd piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
Hi, I'm Graham Drew, expert plumber with Urban Piping. Today I'm going to answer the question on how to tell how old your hot water tank is. It's pretty simple. You look for a rating plate, which should be a 4x4 white sticker on the hot water tank. From there, you'll look at the serial number, and it will usually tell you year followed by week. So this one was a 2011 hot water tank, so we can tell just from that how old our hot water tank is. Additionally, you can go on the manufacturer's websites and you'll be able to type in the serial number and find out exactly which day the hot water tank was manufactured. And sometimes, depending on the hot water tank, they'll even state which installer or company did that. If you're looking for a new hot water tank, I recommend going with someone like Urban Piping, but hey, that's just me.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Blvd. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.